Good afternoon and happy Saturday.
Welcome to VLOGMAS Day 10.
Good afternoon, you guys. I hope everyone is having a great start to their weekend. Today we don't have much planned. I do want to clean up a little bit and do some laundry, and maybe later I will do some baking. So come on and hang out with me today. And this is my casual outfit for the day.
Hey, what's up, Papa?
What's up?
Hey, how you feeling?
Not too well.
Yeah, sorry.
Oh, okay. All right. I wish I could come over, but like I say, I don't know, like I picked up a real bad cold.
Yeah, sorry, Papa.
Well, it's just the way it is, you know. When you get older, these things happen.
Yeah.
But I'm glad you called.
Yeah.
It's almost 5:30 now, and it's time for dinner. For dinner tonight, Michael is having a cheese pizza. Benjamin is having a pepperoni pizza. And my husband is having some of that soup that I made yesterday. And I'm also having the soup as well. Okay, so we are making banana bread with chocolate chips. And what you will need is 2 to 3 ripe bananas. And you want to mash those up. 1/3 cup of melted butter. Over here we have 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 a teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup of sugar. And you'll also need 1 large egg. You want to just scramble that. And 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. It's already mixed in with the egg. 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. And 1 cup of chocolate chips. You want to mix all of your wet ingredients in one bowl. And then you want to mix all of your dry ingredients in another bowl. And then you want to combine everything together. Once you mix the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients, it should look something like this. Pour your batter into a greased loaf pan, and I just used the Pam cooking spray to spray the inside of the pan. Then you want to bake this for 50 minutes to an hour at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So this is what it looks like when it's done. I hope you guys try it, and please let me know if you have any questions.
It's like an X.
What'd you guys get for day
I got
10?
a sticker again.
And Benjamin?
I got like an X.
Pretty cool.
16 days and counting. You know, you can make gifts and book in 16, only 15 more days to go. Do you like Christmas carols? Because I sure do.
That is it for Vlogmas Day 10. Thank you so much for watching.
And don't forget, have a lovely day. Goodbye.